Hi there, my name is Amna. I am really excited about sharing my love for macrame and crochet, and that's what this channel about. You will find here easy to follow step-by-step tutorial for macrame and crochet techniques, along with few projects that you can try. Today, I am kicking things off with something special, a feather macrame wall hanging tutorial. I am going to walk you through each step, so whether you are a beginner or you have done macrame before, you will be able to create this beautiful piece for your home. Before we start creating the feather macrame wall hanging, I thought it would be fun to take you with me on a little adventure. We are heading to the park to find the perfect wooden branch to hang our macrame piece. Another rustic branch will really add to the charm of the project and make it feel extra special. So let's go pick the perfect one. We are back home with our perfect wooden branch, ready to start creating our project. Now I am going to grab my macrame cards in few different colors to give it some beautiful variety and texture. Once we have got everything set, we will dive right into the step-by-step process. Let's get started. First, I pre-cut all the cords to about 7 inches. When it comes to completing a feather macrame while hanging like this, it takes a fair amount of time and dedication, from cutting and attaching the cords to carefully brushing out the feather. This project can take several hours to a couple of days, depending on the size and complexity. Now, the longest part of this project is attaching all the cords. It's not just about the time, it's about the love and passion I put into every single piece I make. Each knot, each feather brushed out is done with care and attention to detail, because I believe that when you create something by hand, it's infused with a little piece of yourself, and that's the beauty of handmade. Every piece is completely unique. No two are even the same, making each one special and one of a kind. It's this personal touch that gives them character and charm. The final and most exciting part is brushing out all the feathers. Just look at how they come to life. The texture and volume really make the piece stand out. And here's our feather masterpiece coming together. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.